So we're finally getting ourselves our second edition of the craziest foldable flippable phone on the planet. Yeah, let's talk about it. So Huawei is putting out a new Pura X2. If you don't know what this phone is or you never seen it before, well, it's a foldable flippable cell phone from Huawei that's quite the interesting form factor. So again, I say flippable foldable, which I normally don't use when it comes to these type of cell phones because usually it's like, okay, well, it's a flip or a fold. It's one of the two. This is kind of like that in between gray area. It's funny, gray is the first color, but yeah. So it does fold like a foldable cell phone when you have it closed, and then you can flip it open like a flip cell phone. So it's kind of like the caveat to that. Now, right now on eBay, there's only one listing for this phone, and it's currently selling for right around $1,600, which is insanely crazy. And I'll be honest with you, probably never. Oh, sorry, my bad. 1,600 GBP. That's $2,200 USD. Which you would also have to pay, because it's the UK, if you live in the United States, you'd have to pay tariffs on that import. Plus, you're going to have to pay, other stuff as well. And it does say right here, does not ship to United States. Located in China. Does not ship to the United States because, again, this price tag, shipping it to the United States would cost probably like around $700-800 worth of tariffs, which is just not worth it in the end, and nobody would buy it. So, yeah, you can't even get this to the United States, especially not with the tariffs and stuff. They're coming out with a second edition of this cell phone right here, and it's going to be very similar, if not the same, as the first edition. Just upgraded specs inside. Now, this was supposed to first come out in June. That was like the early expectations. And then eventually now it's going to be coming out in March. So, a couple months early. Not sure why things changed. Apparently there was another launch of another foldable phone another phone they're coming out with. So they released this one a little bit early. But I will say it's one of those things where I never thought this was going to get a second release. I thought that it would just get one release, and that was pretty much it. But apparently it's actually very popular. People actually really do like it. I don't think we're ever going to see a company come out and release this in America because I just don't see really the crazy necessity of it. We have flippable cell phones that are very successful. But this is kind of one of those like, hey, this is a niche product where you got to find the right consumer and the right, customers for it. It's kind of like the Surface Duo lineup, I feel like. And we all know how that whole situation ended. So, with that being said, guys, definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Would you pick this up if it was cheap and affordable? And if you are in the UK, because I do have some international audience, not just America, are you going to pick this up? Are you going to pick up the second edition of this phone? I think it could be a cool concept, depending on what they add, but there's not much information about it either. It's very much tight-lipped, which I don't know if that's a sign that people really don't care about it, or if that's a sign more of just like Huawei's doing a good job of keeping it all tight-lipped. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys next one.